The 2024 Pagani Huayra is an extraordinary hypercar that continues the legacy of the Italian manufacturer, Pagani Automobili. Known for its exquisite design and unparalleled performance, the Huayra embodies the perfect blend of art and engineering. The 2024 Huayra features a stunning exterior with sweeping lines and aerodynamic curves. The car's signature active aerodynamics enhance both performance and stability. Its unique headlights and taillights provide a futuristic look while retaining the classic Pagani charm. Materials: Pagani is known for its use of advanced materials. The 2024 model uses a combination of carbon fiber, titanium, and aluminum, ensuring lightweight construction while maintaining structural integrity. Inside, the Huayra offers a bespoke experience with luxurious leather, carbon fiber accents, and handcrafted details. The digital dashboard provides critical information, and the layout emphasizes driver engagement. Performance: the 2024 Huayra is powered by a Mercedes-AMG 6.0-liter V12 twin-turbo engine, producing around 840 horsepower and 1,100 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-speed automated manual transmission, delivering power to the rear wheels. Acceleration: the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, with the top speed exceeding 230 miles per hour. Handling: with a lightweight design and advanced suspension systems, the Huayra offers exceptional handling and cornering capabilities. Its active aerodynamics adjust in real time to optimize downforce and reduce drag. Technology: the 2024 model includes an advanced infotainment system with connectivity options, navigation, and a premium sound system. Safety features: while hypercars prioritize performance, the Huayra is equipped with essential safety features, including advanced braking systems, stability control, and traction management systems. Special editions: Pagani often releases limited edition versions of the Huayra, which may feature unique styling cues, enhanced performance, and exclusive materials. The 2024 lineup may include variants tailored for collectors and enthusiasts. The 2024 Pagani Huayra is a limited production vehicle, with prices typically starting in the range of $3 million. Due to its exclusivity and high demand, securing one may require a wait list or connection with the brand. The 2024 Pagani Huayra stands as a testament to automotive artistry and engineering prowess. With its breathtaking design, exceptional performance, and cutting-edge technology, it remains one of the most sought-after hypercars in the world. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or a casual fan, the Huayra is an icon worth appreciating. If you enjoyed this overview of the 2024 Pagani Huayra, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts on this magnificent hypercar.